Hey everyone, welcome back to Say It Right. Today, we're talking about the word hypocrisy. Now this one can be a bit tricky, so let's break it down together. The correct pronunciation is hi-POK-ruh-see. Let's slow it down. Hi, like in the word hip, POK, like the word pocket, and ruh-see, just like it sounds, easy and smooth. Let's say it together. Hi-POK-ruh-see. Great. So what does hypocrisy mean? It's when someone says they believe in or stand for certain values, but acts in a way that goes against those values, like pretending to care about honesty, but telling lies anyway. Here's a fun little fact. The word hypocrisy comes from a Greek word meaning actor or pretender. So it's kind of like someone is acting one way while really feeling another. Let's practice one more time. Hi-POK-ruh-see. You're doing great. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with your friends. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time on Say It Right. Take care.